Over here, we're gonna breathe in again. All the way out. Excellent, sir. Breathe in. Excellent motion. Inflammation's coming down. Face up, sir. There we go. Hips relax. Beautiful, sir. And then we're gonna go face up, please. Head relax. Good. So inflammation on a whole is better. We still need more work there. I'd say your lower back's actually doing, drop that there. Actually doing quite a bit better. Boom, right there. Yeah. Now, can I have your slimy goo? Is it okay? Say slimy goo.
Slimy goo.
Okay, say slimy goo for Dr. Jason.
Slimy goo.
What? Hey, good job. Now we're gonna come on up and we're gonna lay onto our tummy and give Dr. Jason the slimy goo. She's like, no way! Okay, lay on your tummy. Go ahead and lay on your tummy. Breathe in nice and deep, Miss Savannah. Right through there. Breathe in and out. Beautiful. This, I have the feeling that this is going to bring your powers really back. So you be careful. What I need you to do is, I mean, it was, you know, after this one I would try it. But I need you to use your powers wisely, okay? Will you be careful with them? Pinky, promise? Pinky, other one. Okay, fine, I'll take that one. Thumb. Promise, promise, promise. Cool. That's a promise. Mom, you saw that? It's a promise. She's the real deal Holyfield here. Okay? We're gonna breathe in nice and deep. All the way out. Wow, you definitely have your powers back now. I want to make sure you use them wisely. Oh! Didn't we just have a deal? Okay, we're going to open slowly. Beautiful. Head relaxed. Wow. Big movement. And out. Got some late nights, huh?
Yeah.
You could feel that inflammation. You know. Hips relax. Keep myself dialed in, right?
Yeah.
Face down again. Now we're gonna work that upper back now. Breath in, Miss Amanda. You know. Breathe in. Amazing. Head relax. Beautiful. Ah! I'm just kidding. Wow. Breathe in deep, sir. And gently fall back. Now, it's like the little boy that cried wolf, but nobody's gonna believe him now. Shoulders relax. There we go. And we're gonna start out in that lower thoracic. So slow, deep breath in, Brianna. And out. Head relax, shoulders relax.
Whoa.
Yeah. Amazing. That was a beautiful
Whoa.
movement. Yeah. Cuba, you were walking around like that.
I know.
Shoulders relax. Right there. Wow, baby.
Yes, that was the one. That one is so bad.
You knew, huh?
Yes.
You know? Shoulders relax, tummy relax. Now, did that hurt?
That was great.
Yay! Come on over this way.
It's just so loud.
It is loud, and it's almost like a pleasant shock to the nervous system. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like
You
it's
saw my face.
yeah, it's a shock, but it doesn't hurt, does it?
No.
Come on. Okay, I'm gonna yes, ma'am, just like that. This one's a little lower, so we're down here in the pelvis area, the sacrum. You're gonna breathe in deep, all the way out. over a little bit more. We're gonna put this right there. Hips relax, shoulders relax. Wow. Big breath in. And drop right there. Beautiful motion. She said, wow. I could read your mind there. Breath in, Brianna.
These are so funny.
And fall back. It's okay. Fall. Beautiful. Look at that. We're moving.
This is great.
Okay. Oh shit. It's as if the brain, the body just knows where it's supposed to go, you know? I'm gonna go this way. Hips relax, shoulders relax, sir. And hips relax. Okay, big breath. There we go, just like that. Shoulders loose. Oh, shit. What? We moved the table. There we go, head relax, nice and easy. Wow. Wow. So everybody's different, right? Some people, that doc that I've always wanted.
That's crazy.
Let it relax here, sir. Wow. Alright, so we're gonna start right here, Miss C. Big deep breath in and out. Shoulders loose.
Okay.
Alright. Welcome back, there you go. Shoulders relax. How'd we do?
Great.
Come on. Your ribs not moving over there. And breathe one more time. And out. Head relax. Breathing all the way over here.
Oh, hey.
Hey. So we're going to start out right there in the mid-thoracic spine. Another big breath in just like that, Christian.
Felt that. That was great.
It's a big movement, T9. Those nerves go to the adrenals. Now you stay up pretty late too, right?
Very light.
Okay, so the adrenals get stressed out when we stay up really late. They are responsible for reducing inflammation, waking us up in the morning, and various other functions. Breath in, sir. Wow.
Wow.
That was
That
big.
was money.
Yeah. That was big.
Money.
That was huge.
And that's it.
That's what we do. We call it tough love, my man. Drop it right there.
Ooh.
Come on.
Yep.
Core strength we're gonna work on, right?
Yep. Going back to the gym tomorrow.
Little ice on the upper and the lower back. Hips relax. Nice, brother. Wow. So tight in there, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Breath in, Christian. And out. Little tiny little bit there. Head relax again. Wow. Take her left foot. Full motion to the navicular. Gotta make sure she's well adjusted. Drop back. Beautiful, Miss Sam. We're gonna breathe in and out. She's stoked that we're done. And we're gonna work our way to her lumbar spine, so you can feel that curvature down here at the bottom, so we gotta stay on top of the core strength. And we're gonna check and adjust right here, L2. I can feel it's out of alignment. Those nerves go to the quads. But first, since she's got this deep curve here, we're gonna have her breathe in, all the way out. There we go. We're gonna have her breathe in again. And lift your head up and out. There we go. Big release there. Shoulders relax. Breath in and out. Take a little softer approach here. Beautiful. There we go. We're gonna lay onto our left side for this one, so. There we go. We're gonna breathe in deep. Now, hips relax, shoulders drop. Drop again. There we go. Yeah, so take good care of our bodies because that's our vehicle through life. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna let you roll this way and drop your hips. Wow. Huge release, right? There we go. And then onto your back this side. And relax. You're gonna breathe nice and deep. Deep breath. Just nitrogen gas, like when you pop your knuckles, right?
Yes.
So you're gonna breathe in nice and deep. Shoulders relax, sir. There we go.
So good.
Come on. We're gonna breathe in again, sir. All the way out. Ooh, that one's tight. There.